morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our show. I am here Pabansang Baging, and this is Debate Show. Okay, karon guys, is matumayan nato ang debate sa atong mga contestant. I-debate nila ang the art of boundaries and limitation. Okay, please help me welcome our candidate or representative. Thank you. And now, please help me welcome our team two. Okay. Ang isang question, guys. Ang saka, asa ka mag-or? Sa no or sa yes? No. Okay, no daw siya. So, wala naman alam sa kamo sa yes. So, karon, kamatanan. Anong no ka?
Does art have boundaries and limitations? For us, of course, no. Kaya kung mayroon ka of art, ina-expand din mo may mga idea kung saan mo feeling, kung saan mo expression. So, hindi ka mag-limit kaya once kaya mo limit ang art, is kanang feeling good na na-focus ka ka. No,
Based on my understanding, art does have specific religious art. There's some religious art, there's some Muslim art, and Christian art. So, if I art as a Latin religion, so I'm Christian, ako ba sa Muslim? So, mana ko to art as something that we need.
Okay, ang iyang perspective is para sa mga business. Okay, round two!
Wala kasi mong opinion, basta wala yung boundaries o limitation ng art. Tanan tao maka... Because all person can express their emotion and idea or even emotion through art. Na. Wala.
Yes, because tama natin, parang dahil sa kinukuhan, ang uban ay naalis sa awareness and limitation like, same sa kinukuya, ang Muslim, kaya sila bawal, nagawa lang, sila kinukuhan na wala, nagbilig ka para sa ubang tao. Parang, ang uban ay freedom, ang uban sa wala. So, for me, art is na ay boundaries and limitations. That's all.
Okay, so nakita ko guys, no? Kasi 50-50 man sila.
Okay, so as summarize sa ang role play is, as you observe, is 50-50 dyan siya. Para sa mga is wala siya limitation because ina-expand di mga ideas. And sa ilaha po is na nasa limitation because of course, we people have different cultures, religions, and bawal sa ilaha. So you need to